All better now. We're actually learning about earthworms.
Does not stop snowing.
Monday, and time for me to leave. I was going to have to say it's going to suck to say bye to some friends. It was good to see them, but you know, it's always good to see old high school buddies and lifelong friends. So
Eagle Scout bros.
Yeah. So, but unfortunately, there is a time to say goodbye. But it's never goodbye. It's just more like see you next time. So now I got a long drive back to Kansas City. Thank God there's no snow this time. And
well, you hadn't gone up there yet. It may have snowed.
Yeah,
because it did last night up that way.
Yeah, who knows? Who knows? So anyway, time for this road trip again. So you know, it was fun to come and see everybody, but now it's time to say goodbye. And one thing that always sucks is just, you know, you get to see where you grew up and see old high school friends and hang out with them and see how they're doing. And I just think it's a great, it makes me happy when I get to run into all my friends and family and see how they're doing and you know, just very happy just to grew up in a town like Tullahoma and just the great people in there. I'm gonna miss them all, especially my family, mom and dad, my brother and his family, and it was great to see all my old friends I haven't seen in 20 years, like Justin. I ran into a gentleman named Eric who I haven't seen since we graduated high school, and he seems like he's doing outstanding. So it was great to see him too. And I miss a lot of the people in Tullahoma, but you know, it's time to get back to my family. But until next time I see y'all again, or you come to Alaska and come see me. How about that? So let's get this road trip started.
Welcome back to Our Alaskan Life, and I just came back from ice fishing. Our family friend caught 2 fish. I caught nothing, and I'm tired and exhausted, and I'm just gonna hop in the shower now. So while Devin's taking a shower, I'm already starting my science to prepare for co-op. We're actually learning about earthworms and different types of worms, because that really interests me. No, it doesn't. But I think we're going to dissect earthworms on Wednesday, so I'm not looking forward to that. All better now. We're eating right now, and then we're gonna head to photography class.
So one of the great advantages that we have being a homeschool family here in Alaska is all those educational opportunities that the community put together. So today the kids are going to go to their photography class. They started it in January and it is for 1 semester, and so far they really liked it. The lady who leads this is Glenda Christina, and she is an Alaskan who just moved up here, I think from Palmer. And she recently just moved to Fairbanks, and she put together this course. She wrote her own curriculum. And so far the kids really enjoyed it. So let's see what they learned today. And can I just show you that it does not stop snowing? So I think we need a shovel soon. We got tons of snow.
We just finished our photography class, and now we're gonna go. Where are we gonna go walking with the dogs? We don't know yet. Somewhere here in Fairbanks, we're gonna go walking with the dogs. We learned about close-ups, shooting, like taking pictures of flowers, water drops, food, and product photography. Now on the walk, we can practice what we learned and put it into action. Hey Mama, can we throw Maya in the snow?
No.
Why not?
No.
That would be fun though.
No.
I think she wants to though.
No, she doesn't.
Maya, do you want to be thrown in the snow?
No, she does not.
Please, but it would be funny. She has her booties and jacket on.
Don't throw her. Put her.
Put her in, lay her gently in the snow.
That was a throw.
We took some amazing pictures. We're gonna post them on our Instagram, so be sure to check us out there at Our Alaskan Life, and you guys will see those super cool pictures we took, because let me tell you, they look awesome. That's a sign of spring right there.
How you doing?
Good.
I know you're tired.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna sleep good tonight, huh?
I want to relax when I get home.
Yeah, I bet.
There's ducks down here, and so we want to take some really cool pictures.
Well, that was really fun, and we got to see a lot of those birds, so that was awesome. And we'll see what Papa's doing.
So So one good thing about being in the military is you meet people all around the world. Behind me are some of the best people I know, and I'm so grateful to be able to meet with them. I love them people. I just wish Sean was here. I'm gonna take a picture with her and send it to him right now so he can get jealous. So, but love these guys. So I support them all the way. So I'll see you later.
We are home now. It's getting late. We're all so tired. So we'll catch you in the next video. We'll see you up north. Bye!